Hi, I'm Helen Panza. I'm your instructor for BUS110 Workplace Technologies. We are going to dive over the next 8 weeks into the world of technology at the workplace. We are going to learn in a few different ways in this course. You've got Learn-Its. You're all familiar with those. You will have Learn-Its, you'll have a book, and you will have assignments to do. Make sure you understand when your assignments are due so you can plan for them during the week. The key to success is organization. We will also have 4 live meetings. They will begin on Wednesday, August 10th at either 6 a.m. or 5 p.m. Pacific time. Do the math, figure out what time zone you're in, and show up to one of those sessions. I will send you a reminder before the session so that you have the link and you are aware that we will be beginning soon. The world of workplace technologies is a fun one. It might be a little different for you, but we're going to get through it together. We're going to have some fun with it, and we're going to use YellowDig to our advantage too. YellowDig is a piece of technology that allows us to communicate with each other and comment about current events, different things that are going on in the world of technology that affect us every day. We can't get through the day without touching technology or without it touching our lives. We're going to talk about that. I hope to see you on the 10th and get into class right away with an open mindset, a growth mindset. We will be successful in this class. See you soon.